Apparently rumors are true that old explosives has indeed been replaced with, not matched with a Kleemann. So let's take a look. No, still isn't cap. Doesn't look not that fast, to be honest. Flashes. Yeah, it's been replaced. That's kind of sad. So yeah. Let's take a look. I think it's still got some of the original motor. Yeah, free. Look out here. Yeah, it's been replaced. Not much original LV to it, to be honest. Let's put it down. So that's a 2 first. So what's it down there? And yeah, that's basically what it looks like. Really. And yeah, finish by going down to crowns. Yeah, it's kind of sad to see that the older expressive's gone, but yeah, I don't have much else to say. I haven't seen the outside of fixtures before. Just on the grass. It's maintained by Cremer. Even though this obviously is a Kleemann, but then it's like maintained by Keown, so that's weird. Oh, so that's... And that's the certificate of inspection, so yeah. I guess that's... Yeah, the only thing original that looks is that, so yeah, that's it.